Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a reliable installer. Do this now. Plug a blank 8 GB or larger USB into the PC. Use Microsoft Media Creation Tool or Rufus to write the Windows ISO to the drive. Select the correct edition, architecture, and target system type. This step ensures a bootable device so the installer can run. Once done, safely eject and keep the USB ready. Make sure you backed up important data and noted your license or digital entitlement before proceeding. You next boot from the USB to begin installation. Restart the PC, enter BIOS/UEFI, and set USB as the first boot device. Use F12, ESC, Dell, or similar. Choose UEFI for modern systems. Only disable Secure Boot if the USB won't start. When the installer runs, pick Custom Install to control partitions. Delete old Windows partitions, create a new partition for system files, and format it. This gives a clean system and avoids leftover conflicts. Once aligned, you now complete the out-of-box experience. Set region, create a user, and connect to the internet so Windows can activate and download drivers. Remove the USB when the installer prompts so the system boots the new install. Install chipset, display, and network drivers, then run Windows Update and restore your files. If Windows doesn't boot or install stalls, recreate the bootable USB on a different tool or port. Confirm UEFI versus legacy settings and retry. These fixes resolve most boot issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.